Welcome to the Truth Dose, where real science meets everyday health. I'm Emma, and if you're over 35, today's episode might just change the way your body feels. Most people think the secret to stronger joints or better energy comes from supplements, but the truth is, it might already be in your fridge. Today, we're revealing 4 types of yogurt that can actually stop joint pain, rebuild muscle, and keep you feeling young from the inside out. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's get started. This is the Truth Dose.
That's right, Emma. Yogurt is far more than just a breakfast food. It's a natural combination of protein, calcium, and probiotics, a true muscle and joint healer. But not every yogurt works the same way. There are only 4 kinds that truly make a difference, and we'll break them down one by one so you can choose the right one for your health and age.
Dr. Z, let's start with the basics. Why do so many people, especially after 35, begin to feel stiffness, back pain, or just general weakness?
Well, Emma, our bodies naturally start to lose collagen. That's the protein that keeps our joints flexible and our skin firm. At the same time, we also begin to lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This means your body doesn't recover as fast, your joints get stiffer, and you start feeling older than you actually are.
So this isn't just about aging, it's also about how our body reacts to lifestyle, right?
Exactly. A poor diet, lack of movement, dehydration, and even stress can accelerate joint wear and tear. But the exciting part is, with the right food choices, you can slow that down or even reverse it.
Yogurt sounds like such a simple food. What makes it so powerful for joints and muscles?
Great question. Yogurt is what I call a complete recovery food. It contains protein for rebuilding muscles, calcium for stronger bones, and probiotics for reducing inflammation. When your gut health improves, your body absorbs more nutrients, including magnesium and vitamin D, which are essential for healthy muscles and joints.
So it's not just about what you eat, it's how your body processes it.
Exactly. A healthy gut means less inflammation, better nutrient absorption, and faster recovery. That's why yogurt is so effective for anyone over 35. It supports both digestion and repair.
Okay, time for the Truth Dose. What are the 4 yogurts we should actually eat?
Let's go one by one, and I'll explain why each one matters. Number 1, Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, almost double compared to regular yogurt. That protein helps rebuild muscle tissue, especially after workouts or long days. It's thick, creamy, and perfect as a breakfast or post-exercise snack. Number 2, probiotic yogurt. These are packed with live cultures like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. They fight inflammation and help reduce joint pain by balancing your gut microbiome. Number 3, plain unsweetened yogurt. Skip the sugar. Added sugar causes inflammation, the very thing we're trying to fix. Plain yogurt gives you all the benefits without the crash. And finally, number 4, plant-based yogurt. For people who can't digest dairy, almond or coconut yogurt is amazing. It's loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants that protect joint cells from damage.
So it's not about eating any yogurt, it's about eating the right one for your body.
Exactly. Check the label for at least 8 grams of protein and live cultures. Those are the signs of real health benefits.
All right, now that we know which yogurts are best, when's the right time to eat them?
The best time is either in the morning or right after a workout. Morning yogurt gives your body the fuel to start the day, while post-workout yogurt helps your muscles recover. And remember, yogurt should never be the only thing you eat. Pair it with fruits like blueberries or strawberries for antioxidants, and chia seeds or flax seeds for healthy fats.
That actually sounds delicious and simple enough to make a daily habit.
Exactly. The key is consistency. A single serving every day can transform your energy levels and joint comfort in just a few weeks.
I replaced my afternoon snack with Greek yogurt and fruit for a week, and I noticed my digestion and energy improved a lot.
That's a perfect example. Yogurt helps stabilize blood sugar, which keeps your energy steady throughout the day. For those dealing with joint stiffness, I also recommend adding turmeric or cinnamon to yogurt. Both have natural anti-inflammatory effects.
Oh, I love that, like turning yogurt into a mini healing bowl.
Exactly. Simple, affordable, and full of long-term benefits. Health doesn't always need to be complicated.
So, to sum up, eat 1 serving of yogurt daily, choose wisely, and stay consistent. Small steps lead to real change. That's your Truth Dose for today.
Absolutely. Start with just 1 cup a day and see how your body feels after 2 weeks. You'll be surprised.
Thanks for tuning into the Truth Dose. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more real science-backed health talks every week. And in our next episode, we'll explore 3 morning drinks that boost your energy and mental focus after 40. You won't want to miss it.